What's up guys, it's your boy TCC, Tyler Creates Content here, and welcome back to another video. And today we are reacting to Charlie Puth, Light Switch. I've been so excited. I've seen this song on TikTok. We've heard snippets of it. I'm so excited.
I like him too. So.
Yeah, true. Charlie Puth is cool. And if you like this, y'all like this reaction, well, we can hit some more Charlie Puth as well, you know? I know he's got more songs coming out. I think he's dropping an album too. So I'm excited. This song has been heavily teased. So let's just get into it.
Did you say what song it was?
Yeah, I said Light Switch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Why you calling at 11:30?
Ooh.
You wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back 'cause you got that, yeah. Why you always wanna
Fair.
act like lovers? But you never wanna be each other's. I say don't look back, but I go right back, yeah. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized.
Ooh.
And I can't deny every time that I say you turn me on.
Okay.
Switch. You're moving your body around and around. I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you.
Okay, this is so good.
I love the video. Like
True.
the song is good, but like this video.
Yeah, it's so well produced.
Yeah.
And I'm wondering if that's what took this song so long to
Yeah.
come out. Because, I mean, this is such a well produced video. You had to get all the, sets and stuff like that. But I like this, but the song is so good too.
Yeah.
Playlist for you.
Probably.
This is, I mean, I think it is for me. This is so good. This is so good. I mean, it's like simple. It's got, the little bass line.
Yeah.
And I mean, like, it's just good.
You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch. When you're moving your body around and around, you got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Do you love it when you keep me guessing? When you leave and then you leave me stressing. But I can't stay mad when you walk like that. No.
Woo! That little harmony part.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. And I'm getting into the music video. I'm like really
Yeah,
getting
no,
into
I
like,
love this music video.
I'm getting into the storyline.
Yeah.
This is really well done. I wonder if he directed this. I guess we'll find out at the end. But also that little dun 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 dun.
Yeah.
It's so clear that he knows what he's doing. I mean, like, obviously, I mean, we knew Charlie Puth is a very, good producer.
Yeah.
But like, it's just so clear that vocalistically and producing wise as well, he knows what he's doing. And that just makes it sound so good.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, but like.
I can't stay mad when you walk like that. No. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's. I said don't look back, but I go right back.
Sure. Yeah, a little extra layers.
You turn me on like a light switch.
I love that little pause that they have.
The
light switch,
switch.
and then like that little pause. Yeah.
I know that is sick. That is sick. Also, but first off, did I hear that right? Hang on. Yeah. Yeah. Bro. It's so like sensual. Oh man. But, I mean, it's like an unhealthy amount of just liking this. That dude who just went by looks like Paul Blart Mall Cop. Sorry, but he does. Love that Mr. Miyagi reference there. Woo. Okay.
Like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around.
Okay.
I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want to.
Ooh.
Hey, she
Awkward.
downgraded though. She low-key downgraded. Look at this
Oh
dude.
my god.
What is that? I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, but
It was
is
kind
she
of
down?
him. It was him before the guy made him like cut his
True.
hair.
So wait, that's what she's into right there. She just, I guess that's her type right there. And then when he actually started looking good and like swole, that's when she's like,
Nah, man.
get out of here, bro. Like, oh, I love this. Like, I love the whole like scene right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
And this is a very well done music video. I mean, obviously.
Yeah, no, like we're so invested in this
Yeah.
story that, like,
But like, I love the song too.
yeah, the song is
so
good. It's just like the music video.
It is
like,
very good. It is very
it's
good.
distracting me from the song.
I want to do a music video like this one day.
You should.
It'd be good. It'd be really good. Okay, let's get going.
That was it. Oh.
That's you. That's you right there. That's,
The guy in the I'm the guy in the pink.
Yeah, you're the guy in the
like-
pink, just like.
Yeah, that is
get
me.
out.
That is so me.
That is you,
Yeah.
and then I'm the guy who's saying sorry.
Yeah.
You're just like, come on, let's go, Tyler. Oh, Christian Bracelaar. Sorry, I just butchered it.
Bracelaar.
I don't know, but he bodied this video.
Yeah.
He bodied
good-
this video.
Great director.
Very, very good director.
You need to get that guy. to-
Yeah. Hey, hit my line. Guys, at him on social media. Let's get noticed again. Anyways, guys, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and leave a comment. Let us know if you want to hear some more Charlie Puth on this channel. I'd be down to do it. I think Marissa would be very down to do it. I want to react to all of his new music coming out anyways, so you'll see more of him on the channel anyways. So
Whether you like it or not.
whether you like it or not. All right, guys, peace out.
I'll never think the same. I hurt myself too much, that's why.